Hey, how you doing? This is Chris. Well, the time has come. I finally got my meter block. Came in the mail today. Woohoo! After, let's see, look at my emails here. January 19th, 2016 is when I first initially backed the Indigo project, and now I have the actual product in my hands. So a little over 3 years. So was it worth the wait? Let's unbox it and see what it's all about. So here's the box. You'll see it's from Aption Labs. Let me bring it down a little bit. Just flip it over. There we go. And you'll see that it's from Aption Labs. And you'll see that there is a little zip thing that we can open it up with. So let's see what's in the box. So it's upside down, so let me flip it over. And you'll see that, get this up just a little bit so you can kind of see. They have their little meter marketing thing there. And then down in the box, they actually have a thank you. So after 3 years, I would think it would be thank you, but enjoy. So we'll see about that. Secondly, I don't know what this is here. Coasters. They actually sent little meter coasters. So let's see what those look like. So, and they are little bamboo coasters with meter on them. So, and there's 4 of them in here. So you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4. So with that, let's get to the real stuff though. So opening it up again. Take it out sideways. I'm going to discard this box so we can get down into the meat of what's going on. No pun intended there, and you'll see meter block. So with that then, they have the directions on here as far as pull the tab and go see what you have to do. And let's get this open and see what it's all about. So with this, you see they have a little thing on the side of the actual probe. So let's open this up, if I can actually get into it. There we go. Box is very tight. Oh, there we go. Into it. And it's a little bit of a mess, as you can see. Now I don't know if that's just because what I just did, but we have the probes. And if you need support, which at this point I'm not sure if I'll need support from the company or not. Put these back in. And they must go in like that. Yep. So what you're going to do is put the pointy end first and push down into it. And then they have their setup instructions. So with that, here's the block itself. And I do have to say, from a design standpoint, it seems really nice. Again, I paid for this 3 years ago, a little over 3 years ago, so this is not a paid endorsement. And on the back, they have a little thing you pull out, and they ship it with batteries. So, let me see here. Yeah, there's no tab, so quite frankly, those batteries could be on. It looks like they're just on. Oh, there is a tab actually. There's a little tab here. So let's read the instructions really quick. So Now this is interesting that it's just going to be battery powered. So for some reason I thought there would be a plug in here as well, but there's not. So going to the get started steps, removing the tab, and then on through. So pull the tab here, it's just a little piece of plastic, I don't know if you can even see it. And that made it beep, and it's on. So let me put this back on. And pull this out. Okay. And now I'm using my phone for the video, so I'm going to have to switch over and to be able to hook it up to the Wi-Fi. So that's going to be the next step, so let's stay tuned.